Hey guys, welcome back to my new blog. So welcome back to the day. So right now, and both are with me today. And first of all, and Mr. Hansraj, and could you tell me and how can we improve our communication skills? Would you like to say over this topic?
Okay, sir.
Speak loud, okay?
I would tell and about this topic and most and first condition, first problems and some people say and how to can get communication skills.
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया
But and communication skills and can get and when and we talk and everywhere and in front of and every person and when and teacher teach and all the student in front.
Yeah,
And
nice.
he have communication skills and then he teach all the students and we can get communication skills and speak and all person and anywhere and speak and elders person and youngest person. So that's
Nice, wonderful. And he's talking about, and mostly you have to speak in publicly. Then at last you can get and confidence and as well and skills. Okay, and now Mr. Ashok, and tell me, and what's the actual utilization of learning English these days?
And these days, sir, and I would like to try tell that. And as you know that English is so important and in these days, and as you know that without English we can't get the job. And some job is this that you can get this job but with the English. What and English is so important for
Essential.
everyone. And if we know English, so we can visit anywhere without any problem. And if we will know English, and so we can visit anywhere, any country we can go. We can talk any other prime minister and president. We can talk any other person.
Yeah,
So-
nice. And he's talking about, and if you know English, okay, and you can talk over the world, okay. So now, and I hope that and you are doing well to all of you. And if you have any question, please comment me in my comment box. Any kind of the question, ask me. Bye bye. Take care. Love you to all.